So then he padlocked his belt into the fucking cabinet and was like, oh, Mr. Dowler, help me! And I was like, I don't have the key.
You didn't?
Of course I did. He was being a little asshole, so I didn't want to let him off.
How the hell do you work in an elementary school? What kind of parents in their right mind allow you to run their children?
Travis?
Suburban alcoholics.
Anastasia?
So I said, no lady, you go fuck yourself. And she drove off in her stupid little motorized scooter thing.
Did you say that?
Well, no, but I thought it. And on top of
what
that,
the fuck?
I know.
No, my car's covered in bird shit.
Oh, damn.
What the fuck? We were in there for like 10 minutes. Is there some sort of pigeon blood feud against me?
Shit feud.
Shut up. Great, now I need to wash my fucking car. How would you like it if I shit on your car, huh? I can't afford a car wash. This is my last $5.
You could wash it yourself.
We're in a drought. I can't wash my own car.
Oh, you're a lazy ass.
I need to help conserve water.
That's what you said when you didn't shower for 4 days.
I care deeply about California's agriculture industry, and I probably helped save like 4 trees that day.
You are such a bullshitter.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna take a shower if I don't plan on leaving the house or seeing anything.
Ugh, you're disgusting.
Look who's talking. I hate you.
Look, I'll help you wash your car if you buy me lunch.
I told you, I'm broke.
Use your card.
It's only for emergencies.
Listen, pigeons have painted your car with their assholes, and I need a goddamn burger in my mouth. Now, if that's not an emergency, what is?
West side. West side, west side, west side, west side, west side, west side, west side,
Sack down,
got
nigga.
that money.
California grizzly in the woods eating dinner. Take a shit, wipe my ass with a rabbit when I finish. A Dutch rolled up with pot pie spinach and it's strong as fuck. Got that shit from the club. Hey yo, where we ride? The home of the kings. Them gold fronts pulled up, blowing smoke. It's the city of trees. Them straight to the paper like a user typewriter. Overheads like moves from Hidden Dragon and Crouching Tiger. We riding on the
West side,
get
got
that
that money.
on the
West side,
on the
west side,
get
got
that
that money.
nigga.
West side,
On the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side.
Dude, stop rubbing your food on my car. Dude, what the fuck? We're supposed to be saving water with it. Shelby, fucking stop. You're in a fucking drought, dude. Like, just, Shelby, what the fuck are you... Are you done?
West side, got that money. West side, west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money.
a rose, a risen phoenix forming from the ashes of foes who fallen from form, here to restore the balance. Grimy 90s, baby, old school, a Mac like Alex, the golden gauntlet grip on the stem of the overflown chalice. Swisher sweets, backwoods, and Henny by the gallon. Everybody got problems, nigga, that's how we deal with ours. Whole world on the head and the shaft of the phallus. Took some time off a bad check, we still bouncing on the bucket.
West side,
On the
west side,
get
got
that
that money.
on the
West side,
on the
west side,
get
got
that
that money.
nigga.
West side,
On the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side, west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money.
Cruising down the street in the black Benzo. I was slapping some 40, I was blowing some dro. I was texting on the phone on the way.
Well, we've done what we could.
Want to get day drunk?
Yes. Yes, I do.
More bars than bourbon on the fucking
West side,
on the
west side,
get
got
that
that money.
on the
West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money. West side,
on the
west side, got that money.